Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A90 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. Start by opening Play Store and typing iOS Launcher. Then download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click Allow and tap Home button. Select iOS Launcher and pick Always. Then tap Got it and OK. As you can see, iOS Launcher was applied successfully on my device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!